Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a bunch of tasks in my room, in the kitchen, etc. and tidying up, so let's get into the video. So just a quick little rundown. This is all a mess, which I need to tidy up. I've got bags everywhere, the floor needs hoovering, and yeah, I just don't want my environment to be messy, and I don't feel productive in this kind of environment, so I'm going to be sorting everything out today. So first thing I'm doing is changing my sheets for these, and yeah. So this is my bed and I'm really happy with how it looks. I also bought this little Spiderman plushie thing from Primark, which fits obviously perfectly with the bedding, and it's reversible. I think there's like a giant web on the other side, but yeah. So now I'm tackling this huge pile of clothing and putting it all away. So now the chair is completely clear except for my snuddy, which I got for Christmas, just because I wear it quite regularly, so I've just left it on the chair. But other than that, completely clean.